Time starts now. John, what have you got?
Look at me if you're going to talk to me.
All right, how many letters?
I'm going to go for a 9.
9, OK. Josh?
I was really pleased with my 7, but now...
Kathy?
6.
Sean?
6.
OK, well, let's hit them. Josh?
7.
Well, Jimmy... Jimmy...
Sorry, Josh. Get out. Sorry, Josh, what was that?
Oh, striped.
Striped.
Yeah.
Sean, what have you got?
I just said priest. Kathy got a 7, but she didn't realise it was a 7.
Because I can't count.
That's OK, that's the numbers round. That doesn't matter, different one.
But I've got a 7 letter.
What did you get, Kathy?
Tripods. Wow.
I'm afraid, Kathy, I've just been told you said 6, so we can't give you anything for that 7.
Oh, fuck off.
Go on.
All right, Kathy, as you're new, we'll let you have it this time. OK, John, your 9?
You know, when you put a spirit into a glass, in the olden days, they would say you were a pourist instead of a barman, so you poured the beer.
John, I'll stop you there. You haven't got a 9.
Do you want a shot or not? Because you're ruining my stag do, mate. After you pouristed the beer, they'd say you really pouristed that well.
Susie, can you have pouristed?
Oh, so sadly not. No. I can't even be a poorist.
OK, 7 points to both teams.